AUDUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about Australian dollar against the US dollar, and also you can use the same analysis for nzdusd as well. So I do not record separate videos for nzdusd. So just in case if you want to trade nzdusd, use the same analysis which I'm doing for the AUDUSD in that case. Now, before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. Below the video, you'll find some links. So it says join the free Telegram channel. So if you want some free signals, then go and join my Telegram and check out the brokers and the prop firm here. So go and join these brokers, because if you are going to trade with my signals, then I want you to trade them in a separate account in these brokers. Okay, so go and check out these links, subscribe, like, coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we have started red, and I think on Sunday, I told you already, the last video which I did on Sunday, I think, yes. So I told you that this week we will take a pullback, and coming back to Delhi, the three red candles in Delhi. Okay, so this was the uptrend pullback. We should go till the EMA, which is 6472 easily. Okay, so I'm expecting to touch the EMA in Delhi, which means that we still have the chance to maybe take one short trade. So what should be our entry? Let's go to 4 hour for that. In 4 hour, we are below the EMA already. Quite simple here. This will touch the EMA in 4 hour. Rejection will come, and then we might go down. Okay, so I'll give you two options. More likely, we are looking for shorts in AUDUSD for next maybe 12 hours or maybe 1 day for 24 hours. Okay, so if we are looking for shorts, then the price will reach until this EMA. Rejection will come, and then the next red candle, that's when you enter short. Okay, so price will touch the EMA, rejection will come, then the red candle, then you go down. Otherwise, wait for this high to break in order to continue the uptrend. Okay, so if the price blue candles breaks this previous blue candle, then wait for the pullback, then go long. Otherwise, wait for the rejection from the EMA, then red candle, then go down. Same for nzdusd. Free money, free trade. Both scenarios I explained to you. When will be the continuation of the uptrend? When the candle, when the blue candle will break this high, or when will we take the sell trade, where rejection will come from here and the red candle, and then we enter sell. Okay, nobody tells you this is specifically when to go long, when to short. Everybody says for free, okay, trend is long, look for buys, or trend is down, look for shorts. Okay, I'm telling you clearly when to enter short, when to enter high or buy. Okay, so this is too much for free, and nobody else is doing it. So if you like what you see, subscribe, like, share the video, join Telegram, join his brokers. If you don't do any of that, surely I'll shut down this maybe channel, but I'll shut down the Forex trading videos, because what I am giving for free is worth thousands and thousands of dollars, and nobody can challenge beyond that. Okay, if any experienced trader out there who can see what I'm doing for free, that is actually worth thousands and thousands of dollars. Okay, so if I don't see support, not support, why I don't need a support. You need to do your job. Your job is to subscribe, like, share, blah, blah, blah. Okay, it's not, I can't subscribe to my own channel. Nobody can. Okay, so if somebody is giving you thousands and thousands of dollars content for free, go and watch my other videos as well. Okay, then you will understand what I'm saying. So do your duty. Your job is to subscribe, like, and spread the awareness. Share the video. Not everybody is doing this for free. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.